Yes, I think so. The ripple effects of pandemic are observed across all sectors throughout the country, but the future looks promising. We see jobs coming back, particularly certain jobs in e-commerce, logistics, work from home, and insurance category are seeing a growth which was never seen before. So I think so. Things are looking much are looking to improve, and we are excited to see uh, how the job market improves over the time.
Okay, I'm also given to understand that you extended out help to the healthcare sector with workforce access through this period of crisis. Could you walk us through what that initiative was, and are you now particularly looking at servicing the healthcare industry? Is that going to be a big plan for you as we deal with the pandemic and beyond?
Right. So Apna being the number one jobs platform in its category, there is a strong responsibility for us to kind of help SMBs and healthcare sector. So what we have done is we have provided hiring services for free for all employers, SMBs and enterprises. We are also providing skilling services on the other side to candidates. On the healthcare and essential services side, we are open 24/7 helplines. And for the next couple of months, the entire hiring and the entire support thing is going to be free. And this is us doing our bit to give back to the country. Rarely you get a chance to do that. Somewhere God has given us a chance, so we are happy to do that.
Oh, and it's encouraging to see that you're actually pitching in and stepping up efforts. Your valuation after this round of funding, I believe, has gone up 5x. I want to understand, is the growth outlook as promising at a time when joblessness is rampant in the economy, and especially we've seen the lower rung workers being impacted by it. So yes, you're looking to get these people jobs, but they have to be jobs on the other side to give them that employment.
Right. So we are super excited to welcome Insight Partners and Tiger Global, and their investment is basically a strong endorsement of our mission and the value that Apna has been creating over the short span of time. So if you see last month alone, we facilitated more than 15 million plus job interviews and work-related conversations on the platform, and we have almost 1 lakh plus employers and 10 million users on the platform. And for us, as I said, right, this 10 million users are just not like a MIS number or a metric on a pitch deck, but they are like 10 million dreams and smiles, which are going to write the future and the growth story of India. And we are excited and we feel humbled to play a small part. And what excites the investors is the deep social purpose and the robust business model. And coming to your question around like last month alone, we had 1.5 million plus job openings on the platform, and we are only in 14 cities. So we plan to rapidly expand across the country. I think this is again we trying to do a bit to help restart India's growth and economy. So jobs are there, but they're scattered. And what we want to do is we want to provide the right platform and create the right information symmetry.
And I wonder too, I mean, how much of the expansion is based on what you see as opportunities outside of India as well? And to the extent that in this latest fundraising round, Nirmit, that your investors are looking for growth opportunities elsewhere, what can you tell us?
Right. So in terms of the investment, we are going to do three things, as I already shared. One, rapidly expand across the country. We are also going to double down on the skilling piece. So because skilling is going to, I think, so solving for skill gap is going to be very important, particularly with the pandemic coming in and digital adoption of new technologies is going to be important for this blue and gray collar workers. We're going to double down on that piece and help train people and skill for the next generation of jobs which are going to come. And in terms of unemployment, right, I think it's a major problem not only for developing economies like Southeast Asia, but also for developed economies like United States. And all these markets look very interesting to us. We are experimenting strongly across these markets, and we plan to kind of go and enter some of these markets early next year.